Hello friends, I'm Avinash. Today I'm going to talk about a little introduction to cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the delivery of an on-demand computing services from application to storage and processing power, typically over the internet and on pay-as-you-go basis. So you only pay for what you use. If you don't use it, you can shut it down and you don't pay for it. So it's typically same as pay-as-you-go mobile, where you only pay for how much you call. And in another term, or in a simple term, it's an on-demand computing system resources, anything from data storage to computing power. Or and if I have to say this in one line, it's a use of remote server than local servers. Benefits of cloud computing. Flexible. It's very flexible. As we say, it's a pay-as-you-go model. So when the demand increase, you can add more servers to your infrastructure to meet the demand. When the demand decrease, you can just return the server. So you're only paying for what you are using. Accessibility. Available throughout the world, like depending on where you have set up your servers, you can set it up in multiple regions. Uh, so it's very accessible all around the globe. Reliability, as we said in the accessibility, solar servers can be set up and they are provided by a major providers like Google, Amazon, Microsoft, um, and they have a larger data center. So they have a much higher reliability compared to the local data center. Security, as we know, it's the services provided by the major providers like Google, Amazon. So they maintain much higher security compared to the local center. So for example, like if we miss a patch in the local data center, so that leaves a hole for the vulnerability. But whereas these providers will keep their servers up to date, so we can trust them for a better security than the local data center. Efficiency, it's a pay-as-you-go model. When the demand increases, you can increase the server, so they are much more efficient. If you need more memory, it's just available on the click of a button. So they are much efficient than the local data center. Savings, it's come down again to the pay-as-you-go model. So if you better manage your servers, like when they are not in use, if you can shut them down, there's definitely a cost saving. um, Collaboration. Servers are and the data is available on the cloud. So it means like the team across the globe can access any documents or anything which is available on the cloud immediately as soon as it's uploaded and made it available there. So team can collaborate better. Now the next topic we are going to discuss, like who using the cloud computing. Well, it's used by small to the large companies of every type, every size, and they're using it for the wide variety of use, like for the data backup, uh, for the disaster recovery. We know that it's a better disaster recovery on the cloud, and the system can be brought back efficiently.